6 months ago today, the first case of coronavirus popped up in the United States. That first case was confirmed on January 21st in Washington state. And look, our lives have changed drastically here. In Arizona, COVID-19 does continue to surge. And let's take a look at the latest numbers. The Department of Health Services is reporting 3,500 new cases just this morning, bringing the statewide total to over 148,000 since the pandemic began. 134 new deaths were also being reported. 77 of them were death certificate tracing. That means more than 2,900 Arizonans have died from the virus since the start of the pandemic. Happening today, students in the Apache Junction Unified School District are kicking off a brand new school year. But back to school is looking a little bit different this year. Everything is online due to the coronavirus. Team 12's Jen Wall joins us from Apache Junction High School. And Jen, how's this going to work today?
The district tells us they've been working on new teaching plans since the spring, and they say starting online now allows them to provide education while being safe as well. The district superintendent says their plan meets the requirements for Apache Junction students. The online instruction is for all students from preschool to high school seniors. The district says it includes special education too. The school day goes from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. The district says they've given all students laptop devices. They're also providing internet hotspots for families that need it. Superintendent Dr. Krista Anderson tells us attendance will be taken daily, just like in-person school.
We'll take attendance at 10 o'clock. We will be sending out a remote dialer to all the parents of kids who don't show up. And, we're gonna make sure that kids are engaged in learning. We want to make sure that education is rigorous, it's exciting, it's engaging, and we keep our kids motivated to want to be with us.
The superintendent says they've been spending the last week making sure all students were good to go with devices and hotspots. And starting on August 17th, the school will offer options for in-person classes. That's the day Governor Ducey had ordered schools to delay reopening due to coronavirus concerns. And parents will also have the opportunity to change their option every quarter, meaning they could switch from online to in-person. There's a hybrid plan too. For details on other school district plans here in Arizona, go to our website, 12news.com.